Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the compressor where you need control, on the channel or on a bus. This determines what the compressor hears. Set input gain so peaks land near -6 dB because headroom prevents clipping. Once inserted, dial a conservative ratio like 2:1 that tames dynamics without squashing. Then set attack to 10-30 milliseconds so transients pass or get softened, and release between 0:1 and 0:5 seconds so the gain recovers musically. These first moves get you into audible territory fast. Once you have basic settings, lower the threshold until the meter shows 2 to 6 dB of gain reduction on louder passages. That keeps dynamics natural yet controlled. Make sure to apply makeup gain to bring perceived loudness back. Match the pre-compression level so the mix maintains balance. If the compressor pumps on low frequencies, engage a sidechain high pass around 80 to 120 Hz, because that prevents bass from over-triggering compression. Also try a slightly faster release for tighter rhythmic material, and compare versus bypass often. You finish by fine-tuning. A /B the compressor often to ensure benefits are audible because our ears adapt quickly. Tweak attack and release to favor transients or sustain. Faster attack tames hits, slower attack preserves punch. If you hear pumping, raise the threshold a bit, lower the ratio, or add sidechain high-pass filtering to stop low end from triggering the device. For subtle glue, aim for a slow attack, medium release, and about 1:5 to 3:1. If things still sound off, revert and try narrower adjustments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.